Welcome to the Bob and Tam Show today.
And our excellent adventures.
Where the heck are we at today?
We're in Sturgis, South Dakota. More importantly, in front of the Full Throttle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, think about Patreon, and give us a big thumbs up.
So today, first day here in Sturgis, and we're going to go take a quick look around the Full Throttle Saloon here. There's a few people in there, and see what kind of new stuff he's got going on. So let's go take a look.
Let's go check it out.
Pretty exciting. Not a whole lot of new stuff. I see the church steeple that's up there, and maybe another bar. That bar there with the tailgates on. I don't know if that was there or not before. But, you know, if you see anything else that you see that's new, hey, come down here in the comments and put a comment down there and say, hey, that was new and this is new. There's a few new bikes, actually old bikes, I think that's in there now that wasn't there last year. So, you know, we'll have to come back when the crowds get here.
Yep, it'll be fun. Can't wait to see you guys out here. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Share us with your family and friends. Think about Patreon. Give us a big thumbs up. Ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you on the next video.
Oh, and by the way, if you're anybody that was trying to book camping here or next door at Pappy Hoel, there was a few people that said they had issues. They weren't getting their packets, things like that. Went over to Pappy Hoel, found out it's not them. It's actually over here at the Full Throttle Saloon.
They have some cabins.
Yep. So they've got some stuff here that they're doing. They are separate from what Pappy Hoel is doing. If you've got any questions about the Pappy Hoels, you just get a hold of Penny and she'll be happy to give you any answers that you need.
Yep.
If not, you're got to talk to here. I think Angie's the one that's taking care of the cabins over here, and you just need to get a hold of them, or if nothing else, try calling the bar here. Maybe they can get a message to Angie and they'll get back with you. At that, we're going to leave you because that was the only thing somebody asked us to check into.
See you later.